Everybody, take a seat. Here's what we've got. We've had a call come through from a young woman trapped on a boat off the coast. She claims she's being held against her will, but was unable to give us many usable details. Her call to 911 was fraught, and it didn't end well. From what we can deduce from her call, she is on board a boat called the Cerelio. We have an active BOLO order for this vessel in connection with a serious sexual assault claim made a few days ago. However, before you start thinking of this being an easy night, the boat is owned by Fahad bin Khalid, a Qatari oligarch with a lot of influence globally. I don't think I need to repeat myself on that matter. The Cerelio is not your ordinary boat for weekend fishing with the boys. It's basically a floating mansion. It's high-tech, high security, and on the move. So when we get to it, they'll see us coming and have ample time to prepare themselves. We need to move fast on this. But here's the second caveat. We are led to believe that bin Khalid's son, Saeed, is behind all of this. He collected the boat from the manufacturers around a week ago and has been using it ever since to live out a debaucherous life fueled by drink, drugs, and whatever else he can find. We need to be careful with this one. I do not want that man harmed, no matter what he's done. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Here's another kicker for us all. The first call came in around an hour before we received word from the boat. A witness saw a girl being carried onto the boat against her will. It was written off as partygoers having fun, but if the press get wind of it, you know exactly how they'll spin it. I know we're still getting used to this whole maritime mission concept, and the coast is being briefed and will provide whatever cover they can. But this man is a dangerous felon with a complete disregard for his victims. I want him stopped and taken in quickly before this escalates further. But for the love of God, do not kill this motherfucker.
Ready to assist. You've got air support.
You're cleared to proceed to the hostages. Exercise extreme caution.
Post up and provide cover.
Good foes. Get moving, but
Check it with the wand.
Got it. You're in my way, sir. Yours ready? Damn it. Locked. Got multiple openings here. Look safe. Area clear.
Unlock it.
Target located. North. Keep eyes sharp.
Lock is picked.
Through the door and clear.
Affirmative. Swap.
I'm going!
Opening on the left.
LSPD,
Clear hallway
go
up
move!
ahead.
I want that gun down! Now! LSPD!
Get down! Keep your hands up! Police, drop the weapon! Hands up! Above your head! Turn around and stay still.
Searching.
You need to relax.
Shahid is a very powerful man.
Entry team to talk.
With him.
Element, this is talk.
You put
Send
all
him our
your
way.
family's lives in danger.
Fall in behind me.
You got point.
Mirror for suspects.
I'm on it. Wand is ready. Opening on the right. Negative on any devices. All clear.
Wanted.
On it. Mirror ready. Opening on the left. It's good. Suspect, weapon in hand.
Post up left side.
I'm good to go. Door is good.
Doc to element. There may be one or
Red,
multiple
flashing
active
clear.
shooters on site. Move quickly and clear the area.
Taking it down.
Police! Drop it and put your hands up! Police, get down! Now, Lee!
Hands up, do it now!
Not resisting.
Hands up, down on your knees. Put your hands up! Get down on the floor right now! Drop the weapon now! Provide support on me. Get down on your knees, hands up!
Making it safe.
You got the wrong guy! Hands up above your head! Hands on your head!
Fuck you!
Police, hands up!
Don't kill me!
I'll get him ready.
Can't hold me forever.
Everything's gonna be okay.
What the
Civilian
fuck?
ready to go. Talk. Civilian secure.
Doc reporting. Continue mission.
Mirror for contacts.
Done.
A hostage has just been
Bond is ready.
executed.
Opening on the left. Safe. No traps. One civilian. Unarmed.
Through the door and clear.
Moving up.
Get down! Now! Going in! Get down! Now!
Leave me alone!
On the right.
Hands
I'm
up!
Kelly
move.
Lawson! I'm not with them!
Nothing here, sir.
Empty over here. No contacts.
Move quickly. A hostage was just executed.
Fall in.
They just killed a hostage.
Enter and clear.
I'm on it.
Put your fucking hands up!
Wait, sir. Suspect down. Requesting 10.
Doc to element. Stabilize them and we'll send EMTs.
Dynamic movement. Move and
Acknowledge.
clear.
Let's switch.
Move in and clear.
I'll take him.
On me. Move.
Got your 6.
We just lost a hostage. Pick up the pace.
Ah, fuck!
Going into cover. Cuffs are on.
Never!
Drop it!
Police is here. Get her
Police! Get on the ground!
You want to fuck with me?
Hands up!
Hands on your head. Do it now.
I won't go twice.
Doc to entry team. Proceed with mission.
Got a suspect. Evidence secure.
Entry team. Doc. Coroner standing by.
Good to go.
Give up! You think you can just take me in?
Hostage has been executed. Move quickly.
Down on the ground. Move.
LSPD! Away! Police, get down!
Your movements are being
My
tracked.
hands are up! Don't shoot!
Rolio, please respond.
Hostage is down. I repeat, hostage is down.
Rolio, this is Kobe. Please respond. This vessel must return to Los Muertos immediately. Your movements are being tracked. Rolio, please respond.
Hands on your head. Now. Down on your goddamn knees now.
Dropping. Trust me, this is a smart thing to do. Suspect ready to go.
And pack it up.
Good to go.
Entry team, this is
Ready
Doc.
for transport.
Beauty. Keep them coming.
Lead the talk. Bagging it up.
Talk reporting. Roger that, entry team. We've just heard that a hostage has been killed. Hurry, entry team.
LSPD, don't move! I'm not coming with you. Raise your hands above your head.
Get down! I want to see. Get down!
Okay.
Turn around and
get him
stay
ready.
still.
What the hell is wrong
Doc,
with you?
civilian, good to go.
Lead, this is Talk. Continue mission. We just lost the hostage.
I'm not going anywhere with you.
On my 6.
I got you.
Visual confirmed. Target on the move.
Stay where you are.
Here! Fuck!
Entry team to talk. Ready. Compliance.
Talk to element. Trailers incoming.
Target spotted. North.
Secure the area.
Done.
Searching under the desk.
Hands! Let me see those hands! Hands up!
Civilian.
This is Talk. Notifying trailers.
Moving into handcuff. Elements talk. Civilian restrained.
Talk here. Thames notified.
Target found. West.
Lead to talk. Civilian.
Talk to entry team. Tag them and keep moving.
Target spotted. South. Visual confirmed. Target on the move. South.
Element to talk. We got a deceased civilian requesting Thames.
Talk to lead. Proceed with mission.
Go. I got cuffs. Evidence good to securing.
Talk. We got a dead civilian here. Notify trailers. Civilian is DOA.
Element, this is Talk. Tag them and keep moving.
Down on your knees! Drop the weapon and drop it now!
Get down,
Down
now!
on your knees! Slowly!
I'll get it.
You have the right to remain silent.
Please, let me go.
All good. Suspect in custody.
Talk.
This is
Good to
Talk.
go.
Continue with objective.
Can't hold me
Hostage killed. Pick it up.
Threat is down.
Lead, this is Talk. Proceed with your mission.
Search and secure the area.
I'll bag it. Got it bagged.
Search and secure.
Roger.
Search and secure.
Bag it.
You better have a good reason for this.
I want you to get down slowly. I got him. Civilian restrained.
Securing the area for any contact. Lead to Doc. Civilian is down.
Talk here. You are clear to proceed.
Doing a sweep.
Searching.
Talk. We got a civilian down.
Also
Element,
checking the area.
this is Talk. Notifying medical.
Secured. Doing a sweep. Sweeping.
Entry team to Talk. Shit, we got a civilian down.
Talk reporting. Continue with your mission.
Moving into handcuff. Civilian is cuffed and good to go.
Searching under the tables. Checking.
I'll get him ready.
I'll get him ready. Checking the air. Good to go. Searching the area.
Lead to Talk. Civilian is down.
Talk to Element. Proceed with
Civilian is
mission.
ready.
Begin a search. Secure any contacts. family will be seeing you again soon.
Respond. This vessel must return to Los Buenos immediately. Your movements are being tracked. Cerolio, please respond. Cerolio, this is Coast.
This is
Copy that,
LSPD SWAT.
LSPD.
We
We'll
have
make
control of
arrangements and have
Cerolio,
units
and we'll bring her into
stand by.
port. We have a number of casualties and suspects on board.
Copy that, LSPD. We'll make arrangements and have units standing by.
Secure the area.
All right.
On me, move.
I got you.
Search the room for contacts.
Doing it.
LSPD,
Stay the fuck back!
don't run.
I'll bag it.
This is a mistake!
Entry team to talk.
Suspect good to go.
Talk to entry team. Mission complete, though it seemed more like sheer luck today than training.